Stop it. My shoe came off. Amy, get behind me.
When we get down to that green, I'm gonna let you walk to the car. Okay?
I'm not walking.
Now you can walk. I'm hurting my back.
There we go.
Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And this is a quick wham bam, no one asked for this ma'am, Tammy Slaton video and about her walking. She has lost an astronomical amount of weight, 500 pounds, but people cannot help but notice that she still walks with an awkward gait. Her legs are misshapen, so we are going to talk about it in this one. But before I do get started, you know I'm going to have to ask you to do, if you could please push up that like button. I would appreciate that. As well, if you are new here, consider spinning that wheel. That is my subscribe button. Would love to have you, as well as I do have memberships listed down below if you want to support my humble little channel. That way you can. So let's start with how we got this way. Of course, you guys know Tammy Slaton from 1,000 Pound Sisters, and she said at her highest weight, she was 700 pounds. And of course, having that much weight on your body can significantly impact your joints, your bones, leading to pain, leading to even more immobility, complications. Think about it. It would be like walking around with a vending machine full of your favorite soda pops strapped to you every day, all day. And Tammy was pretty vocal about the amount of pain she was in.
Carrying around 640 pounds is a lot on your body, on your knees, your feet, your ankles.
So we all know Tammy went on to lose all that weight, even went as far as skin removal surgery to get rid of her turkey gobbler, as Chris said. But fans can't help but notice that she still walks bow-legged. She still looks like maybe she's in some pain. Also mean more surgery for Tammy to get the situation in her legs corrected. Let's listen to this doctor go over the procedure that could help Tammy.
Varus aligned knee, also known as being bow-legged, occurs when the leg curves outward, placing excess weight on the inner or medial side of the knee joint. Over time, this uneven pressure can cause pain and accelerate wear and tear, often leading to arthritis. A high tibial osteotomy is a surgical procedure designed to correct this alignment.
Or she could also get 2 total knee replacements. Both surgeries, a lot involved. Who knows if she would even go through with this. There are rumors that she is looking into that to help her mobility. Again, we don't know what type of pain she is in as well. But guys, let me know what you think. Was it worth it? Because with most things, even with the surgery, physiotherapy, it could be that Tammy may not walk quote unquote normal again. She may have that gait. She may have pain as well. So could be damage that cannot be reversed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I appreciate you watching me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.
Oh, it does. Tammy. Oh, everything is like on top of her. Get out. Yeah, I'm hurting, but I'm good.